Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 4 Determinants NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 3, exercise 4.1 here. If the matrix A equal to opening of square bracket I have done here, the elements of first row 1 2, the elements of second row 4 2, closing of square bracket I have done here, comma, then so that date 2a equal to 4 dot date a. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, if the matrix A equal to the elements of first row 1 2, the elements of second row 4 2. So here I shall write given that the matrix A equal to elements of first row I shall write 1 2, elements of second row I shall write 4 2, closing of square bracket I shall do here. Then so that determinant of 2a equal to 4 into determinant of matrix A. So here it is given date of 2a. So here I shall write LHS equal to date 2a. First of all, the matrix A is given here. So you will get the value of 2a. So here I shall write 2a. Since matrix A equal to opening of square bracket I shall do here. The elements of first row I shall write 1 2. The elements of second row I shall write 4 2. Closing of square bracket I shall do here. Then get the value of here 2a. So here I shall write 2a equal to 2 will multiply to matrix A. The elements of first row I shall write 1 2. Elements of second row I shall write 4 2. Closing of square bracket I shall do here. So here you can see 2 is multiplied to matrix A. So here 2 is multiplied to matrix A. So it will become implied that 2a will become opening of square bracket I shall do here. Here you can see 2a means 2 is multiplied to the matrix A. So here 2 is multiplied to matrix A. So in this case, when a scalar or a constant is multiplied to a matrix, then the scalar will multiply to each element of the matrix. So here 2 will multiply to 1. So here 2 will multiply to 1. And this 2 will multiply to here 2. So here 2 will multiply to 2. Here 2 is multiplied to 4. So 2 is multiplied to 4 and 2 is multiplied to 2. 2 is multiplied to 2. So here you have got a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Why 2 cross 2? Because here you can see there are two rows, first rows and second rows, and also there are two columns, first column, second columns. That's why this is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So here I shall write imply that 2a equal to opening of square bracket I have done here. 2 will multiply to 1, will get here 2. And 2 will multiply to 2, will get here 4. 2 will multiply to 4, comes out to 8. And 2 will multiply to 2, come out to here 4. Now, here you have got the matrix 2a equal to this one. Here LHS says LHS is equal to determinant of 2a. So here I shall write LHS equal to determinant of 2a equal to, here you have got the matrix 2a, this one. So what you have to do here, LHS is equal to det of 2a. So here you will find det of 2a. So here opening of vertical line I have done here. 2a means these elements will be written inside two parallel vertical lines. 2, 4, 8, 4. Now get the value here. Determinant of 2a. Determinant of 2a. This is a matrix. 2a is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Is a square matrix. Is a square matrix. Here you can see 2a is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. That's why this is a 2a is a square matrix. Then you can easily find the determinant of 2a will be written like this, and easily find the det of 2a. So here the elements of principal diagonal will multiply together. 2 will multiply to 4. So here I shall write 2 will multiply to 4 minus the elements of reverse diagonal will multiply together. 8 will multiply to 4. So here 8 will multiply to 4 equal to 4 to the 8. Here write 8 minus 8 4 is 32. Here write 32. Comes out to here minus 24. The value of LHS. Here you have got minus 24. Now here we shall take RHS. So here I shall write RHS. RHS equal to 4 is multiplied to determinant of A. So what we will do here? Here you can see the matrix A is of order 2 cross 2. Then you can easily find the determinant of matrix A. So here I shall write, since the matrix A is of order 2 cross 2. Since the matrix A is of order 2 cross 2, then matrix A is a square matrix. We can easily find date of matrix A. We can easily find the date of matrix A. So now find out the determinant of matrix A here. So here I shall write determinant of matrix A equal to, here you can see matrix A is given here, so you will find determinant of matrix A. So here I have opened a vertical line here. The elements of first row I shall write here 1, 2. The elements of second row I shall write here 4, 2. Now evaluate this one. Here you can see the elements of principal diagonal are 1 and 2. The elements of principal diagonal will multiply together. So 1 will multiply to 2. 1 will multiply to 2. Comes out to 2. Minus the elements of reverse diagonal will multiply together. 4 will multiply to 2. Comes out to here. 4 will multiply to 2. Comes out to here 8. So 1 will multiply to 2. Comes out to here 2. Minus 4 will multiply to 2. Comes out to 8. So here you will get minus 6. The determinant of the matrix A you have got here minus 6. Here I shall take RHS. RHS is equal to 4 times of determinant of matrix A equal to 4 into, here the value of determinant of matrix A you have got here minus 6. 4 will multiply to minus 6. Comes out to here 6 4 ja 24. Here you will get minus 24. So here you have got RHS is equal to minus 24. So here we have got, since LHS equal to value of LHS you have got, value of LHS you have got minus 24. So LHS equal to minus 24 equal to RHS. RHS equal to minus 24. Hence, I have shown complete details of solution of question number 3, exercise 4.1. That has been taken from chapter 4, determinants, NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.